Today we're going to be making a green tea white chocolate cake. Place the green tea premix in a bowl. Add 130 grams of olive, canola or grapeseed oil. Add 140 grams of yogurt or 120 ml of milk. Add 120 grams of hot water. Add 2 eggs, which weighs about 50 grams each. Mix until it's well incorporated. Now in this time, preheat your oven to 170 degrees. Get ready a cake pan lined with baking paper or a cake ring lined with aluminum foil. Now bake this for 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. Now let's make the white chocolate ganache. Boil 40 grams of cream and add it to 100 grams of room temperature white chocolate. Mix it until it's well incorporated. Now this is optional to add orange or lemon or any citrus into the ganache. Now take the orange and zest it, mix it well, cut it into half and juice half of that orange into the ganache. Allow this ganache to cool in the refrigerator. Now in this time, take the cake out of the oven. Ensure that the cake is cooled down. Cut the cake in half and spread the ganache in between the layers of the cake. Now let's make the green tea mousse. We whisk 320 grams of cream. Add the green tea powder little by little into the green tea mousse. Whisk until it's well incorporated. The icing sugar is optional and you can add about 10% of it. Decorate the cake with Dulcey crunchy pearls. Also pipe some of the mousse on top of the cake. Dust it with green tea powder. Add some candied orange or more of those crunchy pearls. Enjoy!